This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this Python course. Now in this lecture we are going to learn how to remove, that is delete a file.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
So we are going to learn removing, that is deleting a file. Now deleting a file is the responsibility of the operating system that we people are using. So in order to use, there is a method, there is a function called remove, but that will come from the module OS. The first thing I will do is I will import the module OS by writing import OS, right? So what is going to be my next step is os dot remove, then I will give the full path of the file that I want to delete. In my temp folder there are many files. Let me see. There is a file called abc.java. I want to delete it, so I will write abc.java. So I have given the full path by writing c:/temp/abc.java. So that means abc.java is present in the temp folder, which is present in the C drive. So that should be deleted. So let me execute the program. Control Shift F10. Process finished with exit code 0. There was nothing to be displayed on the screen. Let's go to computer and see there is no file abc.java. It's abc, abc.o, abc.cpp, but there is no file abc.java because that has been deleted, that has been removed by this Python program. But we might face some problems because suppose I give the name of a file to be removed, but that file is not present. Like abc.java has been removed from the temp folder, and if I try to execute the same program, it's going to be erroneous. Control Shift F10. Yeah, runtime error has occurred, and it clearly says the system cannot find the file specified, and the file name is c:/temp. This is the path /abc.java, because abc.java has already been deleted. So if we are faced with such a situation, it's quite easy to deal with it. You can write it within the try block. Write it within the try block. Okay. This is your indentation, and then accept Windows error. Windows error, this is the exception handler that will handle such errors, like if the user tries to delete a file which is not already existing. So what will happen is program will not be terminated. The control will enter into this accept block, exception handler. This is our exception handler. Let me give the message print no such file exists, and your program will continue. As you know, this is the purpose of, this is the objective of going in for exception handling, that program does not get terminated. So Control Shift F10. Now you can see the program has not been terminated because the file was not present. The control went into this accept block, and the message no such file exists is getting printed. So you can try a program whereby the name of the file to be deleted is given by the user, and our program deletes the file. Thank you.